Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to create a new user in Windows 11 operating system. Click on search and type here settings. Click on settings app. Here click on the accounts. Here you can see your Microsoft account, your info, email and accounts, sign in options, family and other users. Click on family and other users. You can add a family member by clicking the add account button, and if you want to create a new user you can click on add other user, add account button. Please make sure you have a administrator rights in your laptop or desktop so that you can create a new user by clicking the add account button. If you want to provide a email or phone for the other user, you can give a email or phone details over here. As of now I will click on I don't have this person sign in information. So if you want to provide a email address you can give email address. So now for my case I will click a add user without a Microsoft account hyperlink. Here type the username. I will give as name as test user and provide the password. I will give as a sample password. In case you forget your password, for that there are some security question you need to answer. So select a security question. What was your first pet's name? I will give some word here, not the exact answers. Test 1. What was the name of the city where you were born? So I will give test 2. And security question, what was your childhood nickname? I will give as test 3. Just I will correct it. Yeah. Now click on the next button. Now you can see the test user as local account, it got created. If you want to log in with this test user account, here in the GVS click on sign out and try to log in with the test user account. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.